impressed by all these things because it was mostly of remote work revolution for women like me and all other struggling mothers who have lost their career. So this skill arbitrage course, it helped me a lot. I have 2 jobs in hand right now. I would recommend skill arbitrage for those who want to make a comeback in their career. Please, you can invest. First of all, thank you, skill arbitrage people. So actually, I'm very happy to share my experience. I joined skill arbitrage in September 2023. So in 2023, I was hopeless whether I'll get job or not. I was totally hopeless, and I was like, no, I may not get the job. This course is not actually for me. These were the thoughts coming to me initially. But later on, when I took up the courses, they came up with extra classes. Placement teams were continuously contacting, and the profile building thing, which was very much important. I actually took a 2 years gap after I delivered the baby. I could not get into the job, like in office I could not go. So for that reason, I just saw an ad on Facebook of skill arbitrage. So I thought I'll just give a try for this. I attended the 3 days boot camp of skill arbitrage. I got to know many things, and I was actually impressed by all these things because it was mostly of remote work revolution for women like me and all other struggling mothers who have lost their career. So this skill arbitrage course, it helped me a lot. It motivated me. First of all, it helped me in building the profile, which I had almost not even seen my profile from almost 3 years. So actually what happens is when you take a gap or break, you don't feel to come back to work. But when I saw these ads and these people motivated, actually, they were very much inspiring. I'm very grateful to them because as a mom, I thought, I don't know, I will again continue my career. I think it stops here, I thought. But again, I took up this course. It came up with new branding things. It helped us to improve our communication. They have a diploma in English business communication. So that course also helps us. I know English is a matter for all the candidates. It is communication. They try to improve that. We have many mentors actually. I like to specify few names like Vishal sir. These were the people. They had a lot when they were taking the sessions. They were very much focused about what they were telling. The profile building things are like, I didn't even know about Upwork, how it works actually. So when I joined Skill Arbitrage, I got to know this platform called Upwork and Fiverr. So as of now, I am in job through Upwork, and I have a project from Fiverr also. I have 2 jobs in hand right now. I would recommend skill arbitrage for those who want to make a comeback in their career. Please, you can invest in this. This is not a waste course or anything you're investing. If you're giving a second thought, you can go to the success stories of people. This will actually influence and inspire more actually. So I would recommend skill arbitrage because the thing is, even the courses which they are offering, it is totally different from my experience. So they are into digital marketing, brand recognition, all these things. But to build a profile also, I thought I might need help. So this was the right platform where I had applied, and I got success through this platform. I have a UK job in hand. I tried applying through proposals, and Upwork actually is like you have to send proposals to the clients. Then if you are active, yes, anybody who's active in Upwork and Fiverr, then it gets clicked. Initially 3 months, I did not get the job through Upwork. But later on, I cracked an interview in April. They were really impressed by the experience which I carry. And I'm actually employed to a UK startup firm. So what my conclusion is, even though you send proposals, initially you may not get the job. But what I say is be applying through Upwork and Fiverr, and keep your gigs or profile active so that you may get a job one or the other day. This was the thing this skill arbitrage people also always stress on to the candidates, and they motivate you to do that. It was 2 years. Initially, I was working for banks only. I have an investment banking experience.
As a freelancer, what sort of work are you carrying out now?
I'm into compliance field. I go and do the background checks of the people who are initiating the bank accounts or anything. If they're initiating any business or a firm, if they are going into some business. So we do the background checks. So based on those compliance and fraud investigation experience only, I have received this job. The best thing is I'm doing this job remotely. I don't need to go to office because I have my 2 babies and I need to look after them. And the thing is, the employers also, they're very cooperative initially when I got this job. It is actually very flexible for me. So I am very grateful. Thank you, Skill Arbitrage, and the mentors and the whole placement team who has supported and guided throughout my tenure. Thank you.